Hi families. I know you have not been able to access your Accelerate Education curriculum yet because of the start date, but I wanted to just do a quick screencast here to show you what it's going to look like and to give you just a quick little tutorial. So I'm going to come up here to my web browser and type in tinyurl.com /LASD, Lewisburg Area School District, eSchool. Okay, that will bring me to this accelerated education site. Up here in the corner, you'll see these three little dots. Click on these, and this is where you're going to log in. Don't click the login word, start with the three dots. You'll put in your username and password that was sent to you from Accelerated Ed, and then you click login. Now yours might look slightly different, but basically when you open it up, here are the courses that your student will be enrolled in. And what you can do is you just click on them. This one is Language Arts. When you open it, there will be a Resources tab at the top. Let me close these here. Click the down arrow and it'll tell you what you need to do as a learning coach, materials you'll need, getting started, and some other things like that. Once you work through the resources, you can get started in Module 1, which is all about letter A. You'll click the down arrow and you'll click on the lesson. It will take you into it and you just follow along. This little symbol here means if you push on it, it'll talk to you.
Meet the letter A. A is the letter of the week.
You can come down here and click.
A is for alligator. Click on the letter A to hear its sound. Then watch the video below to see what you will be learning.
Okay, down here's the video. You hit play just like you would. And it'll take
What
you
letter
through all
will
that.
you be learning about today?
Okay. Also, up here, these different color dots, they change your background. So if you want blue or yellow, whatever you want, you can click on those. Just a little fun thing for the kids to do. When you finish the first page, you'll click over here on the arrow to the next page. It will take you to your next activity. These arrows mean there's more things to click through. And that's all you do. You just click, do the things that are on the screen, and follow along. When you get to the end, there will be there's a worksheet to do on a lot of them. We will be providing you with workbooks. They have not come in yet. We'll have those available for you to pick up at school, along with some other resources that we're going to send out. And I think that's basically it. To get out of reading, to go into another subject, you come all the way up here to the top. You click the back arrow, and it'll bring you all the way back.